we're going to be using the input function. It's just like the print function, except it doesn't print out the string. It asks a person a question. And today we're going to be writing some code which asks someone their name, their favorite color, and then their favorite food. And then using that to build a sentence describing the person. So let's get started. Step 1 is asking what their name is. So we could say in then brackets, what is your name? And remember to leave a space after the question mark and before the apostrophe, because when we press run, there's a space between where we write our answer and the question mark. It's not really necessary, but it just looks neater. So the answer to this would be Anika. Also, remember to always name it as a variable. So we could say name equals. Step 2 is asking them what their favorite color is. So this would be say underscore color. Now, when we write stuff in Python that has more than one word, we normally separate it with an underscore. It just looks a lot neater and easier to read. So this could be input, what is your favorite color, question mark. So when we run it, it asks us, what is your name? So Anika, what's your favorite color? Okay, step 3 is what their favorite food is. So the variable name could be fav food equals input, what is your favorite food, question mark. Then when we run it, it asks us what is your name. So Anika, color pink, favorite food, pizza. Now, step 4 is putting all of the information that is given to us into a sentence. That sentence could be Anika likes pink and pizza. So to do that, we could write print, then brackets, so this would be name, plus, then you put the apostrophe, likes, and also remember to put a space before the word and after the word, so it looks like a sentence. We can do the variable name, so plus fav color, and then plus. So remember space before and after the word. So when we run it, it asks us what's your name. So Anika, what's your favorite color? Pink. And then what's your favorite food? Pizza. And then Anika likes pink and pizza. That's how we would do it. And also, if you're a bit confused, feel free to try it out on your own.